Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use ClickUp for inventory management. So here I am in my ClickUp homepage, and the useful feature of ClickUp is that you can create your own workspaces for your own specific needs for your business or personal life. And in order to create an inventory management workspace, we can just click on the plus button right here in spaces. So to create a space, so let's just click on it, and then we will use a template. So template is a convenient way that ClickUp has to create a template of different workspaces so that you don't need to create them from scratch. So we can just search here, inventory management, and then we can turn on the other template types right here to see inventory management. And then as you can see, this one is a folder template type. So we will use this, and then click on use template, and then we have the folder name, and then we need to specify where the folder will be created. So we will choose the test workspace, and then we will just use the default settings right here and click use template. Then we will wait for it to be created. You can click on the activity log right here, the bottom left, and then it says here the inventory management is still pending. Then now it is in success. So let's open the test workspace, and then now we have the inventory management folder. So this folder has the inventory list, and then we can manage the inventory items right here in the inventory list. So currently it has a template for circuit boards, power cords, housing shelves, displays, ribbon cables. And then if you want to create a new one, you can just click on add task. And then for example, you want to add like a PCB, then you can just add it like that, click on save, and then it will be added to your list. And then you can click on a specific item if you want to edit it in more detail. So for example, the dates, the time estimate, the tags, the assignees, and then for the fields right here, the cost per unit, the current inventory, and so on and so forth. Then you can close this, and then you can also edit it right here in the list itself, so that you can edit all of them at the same time. And then you have here out of stock. If a inventory is out of stock, you can just change its status right here and put it right here. So if, for example, if you want to change the status of an item, you can click on the circle right here, and then you can choose if it is in stock, out of stock, or no longer used. And then that's it. That is how we use ClickUp for inventory management. And you can use this template right here so that you don't need to create from scratch. And I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.